magagandang ngiti sa akin at sana'y mapakinggan mo. Ulitin ko sigaw sa dilaw ng buwan.
Tinali ako dyan sa harapan. Ready ko yung kapag starting.
Ready lang mga kwan po sa stop.
Yan lang sa production.
Ready na.
Pagkanyo na ba?
Danan lang.
Hindi dapat kayo na nagsali.
Tapos sa awis na.
Nagwapo o yati.
Good evening everyone. Happy anniversary Delta Omicron. 4 years to celebrate. Long live, lalong-lalo na sa ating mighty grand na walang iba, no other than Brad Lemuel.
Long live!
Thank you and good luck. Thank you and good luck sa mga cake. Galingan nyo. May mga diwata ng Delta Omicron. 2024. Then, so ano man, umpisa na natin?
Go!
Okay. Contestant,
Please welcome our first ever Diwata ng Delta Omicron finalists. Once again, our lovely candidates vying for the title Diwata ng Delta Omicron.
Good evening everyone.
Babae ang boses! Oo. Bye bye.
Bye, bosses.
good evening everyone. My name is Jomer El Makalan. Sa gabi. Jomer sa umaga. Sa gabi.
Lexirol sa gabi.
Good evening everyone. My name is Matilda. Matilda sa umaga. Sa gabi.
Brando sa gabi.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Magay na sa inyong rapan. Walang iba kundi si Maria Usawa.
Para akong pintuan na pwedeng lumisin at pasukan.
Ka sa tatay mo mamaya.
My name is Mark Anthony Buendia. Ivana sa umaga, Mark sa gabi. Cream man ang aking gusto, cream ang aking kurso.
Thank you. First ever Diwata ng Delta Omicron. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Alright, once again, our next guest. Wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan? Thank you so much, ladies. You may prepare for your next presentation. Before we move on to our next show, once again, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our judge tonight. Our judges, rather. Yan, meron po tayo mga napiling mga judges all over the Philippines. Hinanapan namin sila. Para lang ho, hinanap namin sa lahat ng mga paleto sa Pilipinas. Para lang ho, mahanap natin talaga kung sino talaga ang first ever Diwata ng Delta Omicron. He is a graduate of medicine from University of Santo Tomas. She took a pastoral sa kanyang calisthenics at ang kanyang pagtatakbo.
Lala.
Ngayon po ay tinatapos siya pa ang kanilang bahay.
Lala.
Tapos, please welcome Show Isai Starot! Kapag naman natin, all the way from Mandaluyong.
She tastes
is our Opa. Kilala pa namin doon sa Korea. Not South, but North Korea. Actually, kilala ko ito ni Kim Jong. Siya po ay graduate ng philosophy and also nakapag-masters na rin po siya sa kanya business na e-loading station. Ayan. Please welcome our second judge, Brad Dexter from North Korea. Okay, our chairman of the board of judges is all the way from Russia.
Ay! Alaka, uy!
Yeah, she is a major of... She is major of accountancy and also siya po ang ating top 3 sa kanyang bar examinations. Palakpakan natin. So, kilalang-kilala niyo talaga kung sino talaga dapat naman nanalo for tonight. Yeah. She is also the 1992 Mutya.
Ay! Taray!
Baka madiya yun.
Mutya, 1992.
Mutya ng 1992.
Grabe ka, Say! Hindi ka lang pala!
Mutya ka pala! Sexy pa na dati!
She is now in her perfect life and lacking a wife. Palakpakan natin our very own Brother Sai! Ayan, maraming salamat for our set of judges. Hinanap talaga natin sila for this set of
Sa mga luwa, naglalagay natin sa mga lahabi. Di mapigilan.
Me at the
Sadyang magbago itong mundo.
Kailangan, sister! Napagod ako ngayong araw. Kasi itong babaeng to, si Cinderella. Makapilosopo mo? Kalat ko, ano sa kanisi?
Hoy, kasali yan!
Nalagyan ng balas! 101 na ako! Naulit! Patay kayo ngayon!
Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo.
Uy, wala ba kayo kamay siya?
Arriba con los brazos, vamos, vamos.
My name is Brad Eren. Happy anniversary to Tilton F1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you.
Ay, nabitin!
Tumutulong sa pinis sa mga namangalasan. Nasasalupalan makaparoon, makalaka, pagkiran. Sa Bisaya, ganyan gawin. Sa akin, nakaramo sa iman. Kung tunay, subok at tibay. Ito na lang tayo lalong patatag.
This time with our very own Versace baby girl. Please give it up once again to our Diwata #1. We have Lexi. Next we have Miss Matilda. Please give it up. Miss Matilda is wearing a Bangsamoro ensembles designed by CJ Gucci. She's wearing a serpentina gown with organic embezzlement. Thank you so much to the coconut leaves of Kushu Beach. Designed by our very own Lovey Dixie Cat Piton. Once again, our very own Maria Usao. Soup Soup. Miss Shamsi Soup Soup is wearing a Limengs Royal Couture. Right after this, she will be going to the laundry shop. And after the cross, by Marvin Michael 567. And for our last, but not the least, we have Miss Ivana Alawi. Miss Ivana Alawi is wearing a Sanrio Couture.
Ang kamot!
Sanrio because of it was inspired by Hello Kitty. Designed by our lovely Chanel Tanya Bells. Once again, before we move on, we'd like to say comments sa ating mga designers for tonight. Please give it up for Versace baby girl. Palakpak naman dyan. We also have CJ Gucci sa kanya Bangsamoro ensembles. Serpentina gown with organic embezzled thanks to coconut leaves of Kushu Beach. To Lawi Peace Dixie Gat Piton. Also to Marvin Michael 567 on her Limengs Royal Couture. And Chanel Tanya Bells on her Sanrio Couture. Please give it up once again for our candidates.
Será mi piel junto a tu piel. ¿Cómo será mi piel junto a tu piel?
maganda, mamusday ang iyong kumikinang-kinang, kinat mo, kinat. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Best in production.
A rhapsody for you and me.
Please say in front.
Melody is timeless.
Diwata. Iba na alawi. Palapakalan natin siya, guys.
I can't find the key without this feeling.
Yan.
I just
Please receive our bouquet of balloons. Actually, ang nakuha para maging diwata ng talento for tonight. Diwata ng talento is Diwata Matilda. Palapakan natin siya, guys.
Sino magbigay?
The bouquet of balloons will be imposed by our judge all the way from North Korea. We have Gu Chopyu. Picture please. So sino kaya ang magiging best in gown for tonight? Thanks to our lovely couturers. Sana sila. So kung sino yung mananalo, kailangan kasabay ang kanilang designer, ha. Katawagin namin. Handa na ba ang lahat? Kung sino sa kanila nagkaroon ng linta sa mga mata ng ating mga judges. Our best in gown is Diwata. Diwata Lexi Lord. Brad John, congratulations. We would like to call in our designer Versace Baby Girl together with our chairman of the board of judges for his napakaganda, napakalaki ng chance na talaga. Why, pabor! Our fourth runner-up is Miss Shamsi Subsub. Congratulations! Ang ganda-ganda mo tonight. Yeah, together with the Tita Chi. Una kamera, wag sa akin. All! 10:58 na pala. Our third runner-up is Miss Maria Osawa. Congratulations! Because of fluid and fair sport. Ayan, please impose.
Sure, one.
Let's give it up for Diwata Matilda. At our two remaining Diwata, who will be our first ever. Would it be? Who's your guest, guys? One. Dito na side, sino? Our first ever Diwata ng Delta Omicron will be magpapicture mo.
We can't erase from this cycle that we call life. We're the one who would have stolen. Could you make it on your own?
If I could. Way up.
Babae! Sino ka? Ang gandang babae. Patingin nga.